How to open Revoult account. First, go to this website. The link is in the bio below, and by using this link, you'll also get a 10% discount. Select your country here and enter your number. Then click on Get Started. It will be successful, and you'll be redirected to the Play Store, where you can install the app. Once installed, open the application. Click on Sign Up. The screen got cut off when I was recording, so it didn't capture. But don't worry, you'll need to enter your number again. An OTP will be sent, and it will be auto-generated. Then, you'll see the Continue option. Next, it will ask for permissions, so allow those. Your application will then go into review. You'll need to wait for 2-3 days, and your account will be successfully opened. They will notify you via email or message once the process is complete. The link is in the bio below. If you sign up through this link, you'll get a 10% discount. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.